This news, Bob Rubin out at Citigroup. Do we know what the corporate budgets look like in terms of technology, in terms of R&D? Here we are at the Consumer Electronics Show, and we're trying to get an estimate as far as what people are going to be spending. What about the big spenders, the companies? Do you have any sense of if, in fact, we're going to see budgets cut in that regard?
So I think the cycle here is in October everything stopped. Companies basically held back. CIOs who had some budget to spend last year used that cash because they knew they weren't going to get it again. And so there was actually a little flush through coming through in the technology sector, which meant that the end of the year wasn't too bad. The real crunch is right now, which is the budgets that were set for 2009 are filtering through. The tech companies are trying to digest this and understand what it means for them this year. And effectively, we're going to see a round of layoffs now between now and I think the end of February, so in the next 6 weeks. And the big question is, will those layoffs be 5%, in other words, companies trimming a little bit, or will they be 10%? So how far down will people take their expectations? And from that point, what happens to the rest of the year, I think, is anybody's guess.
Yeah, we should point out that the reservations and the arrangements being made to come